To use the Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy S25, first we need to open a settings on our device. We can then scroll down looking for the notifications. Enter it, and from here you should be able to find Do Not Disturb. Now inside you can turn it on or off, and then we can also adjust different settings. So right here below Do Not Disturb mode you can find for how long, and you can change the appearance for the quick settings and how the behavior of Do Not Disturb mode will go. So you can turn it until your phone turns off. You can set it to 1 hour or a different time, or ask every time you try to enable it. Then there's a schedule which allows you to set a schedule for where Do Not Disturb mode, or when your Do Not Disturb mode will enable automatically and also disable. So you can adjust it however you like, for which days and time. Then we have what is allowed during Do Not Disturb mode, and you can manage call and messages. Inside you can add specific contacts that can bypass your Do Not Disturb mode, and also allow calls from all people, contacts only, favorite contacts, or none. You can then activate repeated callers, so if somebody tries to call you multiple times during 15 minutes mark, then the call will go through. And messages is also the same thing. You can adjust it for contacts only, favorites, or all. Next is alarms and sounds, and you can adjust different system notifications like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, or reminders. There's also apps that I skipped, sorry. So if we select that, we can manage which apps can also bypass Do Not Disturb mode. And then on the bottom there's hide notifications, and you can adjust the option first, which is when the screen is off, hide full screen notifications that you can enable or disable. When the screen is on, you can hide app icon badges, hide from panel from notifications panel, don't show pop-up notifications, and hide status bar icons as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.